Hi, welcome everyone to Yaris. So actually, now this video is basically to address some of the how to use tutorial for AI chatbot. So when we have created an account for you, so you just need to log into your account, and let me log into my test account now. Okay, so you just need to log into your account and you will be come into this dashboard here. So this dashboard, you can actually create a new chatbot from template. If you don't know how, so you can just create a chatbot from template here, whether it's e-commerce or high level or real estate. So, and then you select data source and generate that chatbot. You can go step by step. So, or you can create chatbot from scratch. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to create chatbot from scratch. So once you click here, you will be able to you direct to ask you to file upload all this kind of stuff. So you just upload. I just get any file here. So once you upload the file, you will start to do training. Okay, so this file is basically your maybe your sales material, product material, any sort of material, terms and condition, privacy policy, everything you can upload here. So once you upload, you'll be like that. So you will detect how many character to train on. So then you can also, beside that, you can also upload text file. You just copy and paste from somewhere, or you have a website ready. So you just submit the website, and then it will crawl it for you. So let's maybe I'll just send. I'll get a guy here. Hang on, let me get a link here, and I'll just put it here. Okay, so let's recrawl on this website then. So, or you have assignment already, you can just submit assignment here and load the assignment. Okay, and then you just fetch the link. Okay, you'll be fetching the link, and then you will start to do training. Then you can just create the chat from here. Okay, so while we are waiting, you can hang on now. While we are waiting, let's wait. Still fetching. Okay, there you go. Already fetch all this information right here. So you crawl all the pages, all right, and then you study the pages, and then the chatbot will, whatever information is inside, you will just start training it. Okay, and then you have a Q&A, like you in that industry, you already have a frequent asked question by your clients. So your clients ask certain question, and you have a certain set of answer. You can you can put all FAQ here, your frequent asked question. Chatbot will also study it, and if let's say there's someone asking, they will look into this question and send it, respond back to client. And then if you have a Google Sheet data, all your sheet is in the data, all your data is in the sheet, you can actually export, you can actually link it here. All right, so link your Google Sheet here, but make sure you open, make sure you the access, the Google Sheet access, you make sure you open for anyone with the link to access, so that the model, the chatbot can train, the AI chatbot can train on your Google Sheet data, the data in Google Sheet. All right, so yeah, so this one is that. So now we can start creating a chatbot here. Okay, so I see a number of chatbot included. Okay, so yeah, so this is a test here. So I already have a chatbot here, so that's why you were seeing there's a exceed number of decimal chatbot. So in this account, test account, there's only one chatbot I can create. So yeah, so here will be accessing using this chatbot. So once you have start training chatbot, right, you will see some interface like this. So for the sake of this, uh, this bit, this presentation, this tutorial, I will guide you on this on the sources. Let's go back to the sources. Let me upload this thing again. Quickly upload. So then we can start to retrain the chatbot here. So I will show you once it's trained, so you will know your knowledge. So it's basically your knowledge hub of your company. The chatbot will know everything about your company. So I'm not going to go in text website because just now I went through it already. So there's a keyword trigger, meaning that whenever there's a keyword, certain keyword came out, right? So you can actually provide the answer that you want. so the certain answer that you want, so the chatbot can access it and send it out to client. All right, and then you can include your company information. So this company information is quite important. So if let's say a chatbot unable to answer any kind of questions thrown by the customers, so you will be able to fill up all those information, and then you can fill up all the chatbot will access this information and send it to client. Because if let's say don't know how to answer the question, so you will go through this information and send it client. So please reach out to this. All right, whatever information you put in here. Okay, so yeah, I'll just retrain the chatbot here. You see, this is how the retraining process is. So once you upload the file, you will start retrain. So you just all you need to do is just sit back and wait for it to train your chatbot. All right, so now it's trained. So once it's trained, so you can ask any questions so pertaining to your question. So I just upload the file of SEO agency, a proposal from SEO agency, a dummy file. So you see, you can actually hi say, hi, what service are you offering? So you will start generating, go through the articles, and then these are the services they offer. So these are the chatbot, providing information to your website. You just need to integrate that. Okay, so yeah, and then I'll go through with you on the general setting. This is quite important. You can name your chatbot. This is, I'll just name it that test chatbot here. All right, so I'll just click save. All right, so yeah, this is the last training ID. Okay, so this is a prompt. So the prompt is basically you are telling the chatbot, okay, so you are a sales consultant. Someone approach you, you personalize, engage customer queries and everything. So you can generalize your prompt. So if you want the chatbot to be have a sentiment inside. Like for example, please remember whenever you like you can even add something like remember, please remember, ensure the text concise and well structured, and please always reply response in professional manner and respect. You can do that as well. So yeah, so this is how you can even put analysis sentiment inside, so that the chatbot will always do draw down whatever based on your expectation. So if there is an error message, what kind of message you want to send out. Sorry, uh, I don't understand. Can you repeat again? Can you repeat your question again? Or you can even write, sorry, I have reached a maximum limit of trial. Please try again later. So yeah, there's an error message, something like that. It will came out, so you can put down error message as well, so the chatbot can send out. So we have a model, a different model. So basically, as you know, OpenAI is O3, GPT, all these models. So we also have Claude, we also have Deepseek, Mistral, Grok, Qwen, Kimi, and Gemini. So these are the models that we have. So yeah, so you can actually bring your own key, or you can use our key. So it really depends. So if you use our key, then it will be different. But yeah, you have to let us know. So you'll create the account based on what your request is. So if you want to use your own key, then it's quite simple. So you just need to the key part later I'll tell you. But let me go through everything here. So to get your model API, you can just click here, and then you can set the temperature here. So this is the time zone, based on your time zone. So you just hit save. Okay. So an AI action will be actually more like a HTTP request. You can go through the guide here. Okay. So this is the chat interface. So basically, this is what your your visitor, web visitor see or your user see. So this is the chat interface. So what's the initial message you can type in. The suggested message means the one at the bottom. Like for example, this one. Let me show you. This one. Suggested message. Talk to live agent. Then talk. Then product information. So these are the things that you can do. So and then this, whenever people hit this, you can hit at the keyword there. You remember the keyword that I mentioned, that this keyword trigger. Yeah, you can hit this product information. So once you have the keyword, then once your answer. Okay, you can do that as well. So yeah, so I think it's a great thing. So let's go through it again. So this is suggested message, and then this is the label for each AI answer. So for example, let's say the suggested message. Let's say this is talk to live agent. We only have one. Okay, please wait while we transfer. Please wait while we transfer to live agent. Okay, so let's see. Once we hit this, okay, so you need to save it. So this is the label for each AI answer, and then you can use custom CSS. So custom CSS is basically, you can beautify your if you know CSS programming, so you can do that, or else you just turn it off and play with the program here. All right, you can do like this: the dark mode, light mode, chatbot width, chatbot height, radius, all this you can set it yourself. And then there's a shadow or not. If there's a shadow, you will look like this. You see there's a shadow of the box itself. Uh, if there's no shadow, you will see no shadow. See? All right. See the shadow here. All right. Okay. So yeah, so and then you can, the shadow, how the shadow gradient, you can do that as well, the shadow color as well. And then the font, you have a certain limited font here, but it's enough for you to, to have a font based on your branding. Okay, and then you can upload a profile picture here. So let's say I want to upload a profile picture. um, let's say I want to upload, let's take this logo as an example. You see? All right, so there's a logo here. So yeah, you can even put display name. Display name will be here. Yeah, reads customer support. All right, you can put that, and then color of the message. Okay, it's based on what put. And then input, user input placeholder. You Yeah, you see this one bottom here. Type a message. Type message here. Type your message here. Okay, you can do that. And update chat icon. The chat icon is here. This icon. You can update it. Or else you use our icon. All right, so the chat, you want the icon to be right or left, it's up to you. The bubble shadow, whether there's a shadow or not. If there's a shadow, then you will have a shadow here, or else you won't have a shadow. All right. Okay, so that if let's say, okay, there's a human takeover, so meaning to say that when a visitor requests for human support, and or when the chatbot doesn't know the answer, you forward the message to an email. So you will receive a notification via your email. So what email you want to put in? So you can put in your email address, okay, and then you send it there. And then this is the custom takeover for human chatbot. So meaning custom human takeover reply message. So please wait while I transfer to our live agent, or you can put our live agent will contact you via email things like that. It's up to you. So this is the reply that will reply back to the customer side. So your customer side will receive this message when they when the human takeover event happening, all right, or the chatbot doesn't know the answer, or trigger the visitor request the support, all right. So this is the reference link. You can put your Facebook link, WhatsApp link, Instagram link, all this kind of stuff. And you can set your, I can put your privacy policy text as well. Yeah, view our privacy policy, and then this is the URL, privacy policy URL, and that's it. Then you will see this one, view our privacy policy. Then there will be a link there. So HTTPS, then abc.com. So you see there will be a link there. So yeah, I think that is privacy policy URL name. Click here to view our privacy policy. You see, all right. So that's it. See now. So this is how it goes. So this is the important section because it's usually the front end. So this is the security side of things. So the security side is yeah, you can, because sometimes when people come in, the visitor, they will do spamming, right? So uh, you do spamming, so you keep consuming your credit in your OpenAI, or Deepseek, or whatever you are using. So you will want to limit the messages every how many seconds. So and then if let's say the limit hits, you will hear too many messages in the row, you will respond back to the client, because some bot, they will actually they'll spam it. Some people just, I don't know, they'll just spam it. So it's good to have some limit here. So this is more like a notification. So yeah, so if you receive an email, there's a leads here. So later I'll go in through the leads with you. So whenever you receive a leads, right, like there's a form, there's a form where people can fill up. Once they fill up already, so you will receive, eventually you receive a leads. So once you receive a leads, right, you will send out email to you saying, oh, there's a new lead coming in, something like that. So you can put your email address, okay, and then or you can receive an email conversation of you receive email with daily conversation. So whatever conversation had you want it to send you the entire conversation, you can. So you don't have to keep logging into this software. Yeah. So this is basically a AI. So yeah, so there's a model for voice AI, but currently it's only OpenAI. So for calling purpose, so meaning people call to the specific number. So but this one, for this to work, you need to integrate with uh uh Twilio or other, later I will go through the integration with you, which is under the source integration here with you. So you need to go through with Twilio or WhatsApp, or Twilio. I think Twilio, there's a Twilio call, and then you can actually receive. There's a Twilio. Once you sign up a Twilio account, so you get a Twilio virtual number. So and then you advertise, you put the virtual number on the website. People call to your virtual number. You go through this voice AI. All right, you go through this voice AI. So this is what you will speak. So you can hear the sound. You have multiple avatar here, voice over here by different people. So yeah, you can listen to it. So then there will be charges. Okay. So to activate this, you have to let us know whether you want to use it. So you want to use it, then there will be certain charges. So this is a leads. That's why I mentioned the leads. Where you can create a form, lead form. So once you have the lead form, then what question do you want to ask? What question you want to get the information from? So you can display that out, and then display for human takeover only, or display for every question they ask. So if it's human takeover only, so then this form will only appear when they request for human takeover, or the AI doesn't know how to answer the question, so then the form will pop up. All right. So yeah, so yes, so you can give us all this information, it's a privacy, and then you just hit setting. So yeah, then you can see all the live chat here. you will see all the live chat here, the logs, what's the chat logs, all the conversation that AI had that with the person had. So you can see there's a mistake, you can improve it. Okay. So there's a lead backlog. So this lead will actually be a different story. So whatever lead you put in the form here, so the lead will come here. You'll be able to see all your lead here, and then there will be an appointment. So if let's say you can put an appointment. So our appointment integration, right, is with Calendly. Yeah, I think it's with Calendly. Hang on, yeah, enable appointment. So you just enable appointment. You can authorize Calendly, Google Calendar, or Microsoft Calendar. So yeah, then you can suggest messages for appointment. Yeah. So once you set appointment, you can schedule. You say ask them for schedule appointment. You just link it to your Google Calendar or Microsoft Calendar. All right. So you can say, please schedule an appointment with us for live demo. So something like that. So you invite them. So then you authorize, then you connect to your account. So you actually have a button for them to click on. So yeah, so this is appointment. All right, all the appointment will be listed here. Then there's a voice log as well. So voice log is something here, where whatever voice the conversation you had here, so you actually appear here, what at the voice log. Okay, the call that came in. All right, so this is the appointment that I just mentioned just now. So yeah, this is the live chat. So let's say human take over, right? You see a message, so you can enable live chat. So live chat is starting or ended. So you will send out, step in, you know, the live chat is starting now, and then you can start typing the live chat. So for live chat, right, there will be another link, a web link where you can actually log in and then start to communicate with your client, or you can just click inside your, when you receive the email from us, like say there's a live chat coming in. Let's see. Remember this, forward messages to what email address. So this is, let's assuming the abcemail.com is your email address. Once you receive the email address, say there's a human require a human takeover. So once you receive the email, you will see a button below. So go to the live chat or something like that. So you click on that button, it will redirect you to a live chat dashboard. So a live chat dashboard, then yeah, so then you can communicate with client on that. So yeah, the when you transfer, right, you will say live chat is starting now, and then once it's transferred, live chat is ended. All right. So this is what will inform your client or your visitor, the web visitor. Okay, so this is the sources where maybe you have, let's say assuming you have uploaded a certain number of sources already, they train already, and then in the future you have a new product launches with new information or new services introduced, or any type of new information that you want AI to be educated on, you can just retrain your model here. Then you just can click on retrain. That's it, very simple. And those are old already, you can just remove it. All right. Yeah, very, very intuitive, very good. Yeah, so this is, I think I went through this earlier on with you, so I'm not going to go through this. So you can, once you train all this all done already, right? So you want to embed to your website, right? You just need to install the script. So for chatbot to add on any website, you just add this iframe to your HTML code. So this thing, copy this one. Then then if you want chat or chat and voice, the scripts here, just voice, you'll be the scripts here, just chat in the scripts here. All right. Or you just want to have direct link, just copy the link. And when you go to copy, you will be once you copy this, you will have another site just for that chatbot like this. Just for the chatbot like this. All right. So yeah, and then this is event, and then this is integration. So for Google integration is like Twilio. So they have a voice number as well. So if you have Google, you have voice, so people call you via Google voice number. Yeah, so you can do that as well. Twilio have integration for WhatsApp and also voice as well. All right. So this is Facebook Messenger, I believe, yeah, and then it's Instagram, the direct message, and then this is WhatsApp API, the WhatsApp official API, which need to connect to your Meta business account. So yeah, so but all these other charges, right? These charges within this platform, right? They have their own charges as well. So just make sure you have some credit inside. Pay, Google will charge insert some credit inside into your Google Wallet or Twitter Wallet, Facebook Wallet, WhatsApp Wallet, or Instagram Wallet. You will deduct the credit inside. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the introduction. So there's second here, so you can go through it whenever you read. So if you are using your own API, if you're using your own API, so you will have this. You will you okay for this account, says here that's account is built on non BYOK, so meaning non bring your own key plan. So basically what it says is you are using our API. So that's why you cannot edit anything here. You cannot edit anything here. So yeah, you can have we this is all our this will be our all will be our API. So you can choose the model what you want to access, and then this is the live chat. That's it. Yeah. So you can go through it whenever you are there's a visitor analytic as well. You can embed the script, and then there's analytic will be there as well. The appointment will be here after you authorize the Google Calendar. All right. So all this is quite user friendly, so you can go through it whenever you like it. So yeah, so this is so if let's say for this one, right, you use your own key, so you'll be seeing a edit button here or something where you can put in your own API, your Claude or whatever model you want to use. Okay. All right. I hope this video gives you a rundown on how to use our platform, as well as can serve as a video demo for people who never used it before. So yeah, you can reach out to us, WhatsApp us, and yeah, we once you sign up, we can give you the access. So for BYOK plan, is bring your meaning you are using your own key, API key. The price will be 180 per year, US dollar. And then if it's non-BYOK. So the plan is actually kind of forgot already. I think it's 300, you're not mistaken. So per year, 300 US dollar per year. So you have a look at it. Yeah. And any questions, just reach out to us via WhatsApp, our official channel. We'll try our best to answer it. Thank you.